Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 27, Quality Score Diagnosis and Pivot Tables. In Lesson 27, you would typically learn about diagnosing quality score issues and using pivot tables to analyze and improve your quality score. Here's an overview of what you might cover. 1. Diagnosing quality score issues. You'll learn how to identify factors affecting your quality score and how to address them. This could include analyzing your keyword performance, ad relevance, and landing page experience. 2. Using pivot tables. Pivot tables are a powerful tool in Excel and Google Sheets that can help you analyze large data sets, such as quality score data. You'll learn how to use pivot tables to summarize and analyze your quality score data, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. 3. Key metrics and KPIs. You'll likely cover key metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, related to quality score, such as CTR, conversion rate, and ad position. Understanding these metrics can help you optimize your campaigns for better performance. 4. Optimization strategies. You'll learn strategies for optimizing your quality score, such as improving keyword relevance, writing compelling ad copy, and optimizing your landing pages. These strategies can help you improve your quality score and overall campaign performance. Overall, Lesson 27 is focused on helping you diagnose quality score issues, use pivot tables to analyze your data, and optimize your campaigns for better performance. Understanding these concepts and strategies can help you improve your quality score and achieve your advertising goals.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.